Welcome back. I'll be showing how to make clove and flaxseed gel for hair growth and to detangle and stop hair breakage. So stay tuned. To make this remedy, I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of clove seed. Seed contain potassium, iron, omega-3 fatty acid. It will help to promote hair growth, keep the scalp fresh and reduce hair irritation. I'll be making use of 4 tablespoons of flaxseed. Flaxseed is rich in vitamin B and E. It contains omega-3 fatty acid and protein. It promotes healthy scalp. It will also help to slow down hair breakage. So I'm going to add the flaxseed into the pot. I'll be adding about 2 cups of water. Then I'll allow to boil for about 8 minutes. Stir from time to time, and when you notice the slimy consistency from the heat, quickly use a sieve while hot to strain to get the flaxseed gel. You can wait until it has cooled down, then you can use a chiffon cloth to squeeze to get the gel. Clove and flaxseed gel is ready. This is a natural gel that you can use for your hair. You can apply this on a dry hair or washed hair. Use it to detangle, soften and moisturize the hair. This clove and flaxseed gel is a good conditioner that will help to detangle the hair. It will help to soften, detangle the hair and also prevent breakage. Make sure that you apply on every part of your hair, massage properly, then you can cover your hair with shower cap, then rinse out after about 30 minutes. Clove and flaxseed detangler will help to promote circulation to the scalp, promote hair growth and slow down hair breakage. That this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.